We're in the middle of nowhere. Ben, come on. Careful, can't even see you. Fucking hell, this is huge. Where is she?
Better wait for Ben, he's lagging behind.
Oh, it can. Where is she? Fucking hell, this is massive.
How good are you? Hey, you were coming. Hey, baby.
Maggie, hello. Hello. Oh, you are so cute. Look at you.
I can win.
You can win.
I'm going to beat him. Do you see the problem?
I can't see the I can see the problem. Love how Caleb's reminiscing.
One of them as well.
Oh no, I'm flipping. I didn't change I've spotted it.
Oh, I've won.
I've spotted it.
I've won. I think.
You think?
I've spotted it.
No.
Good morning, everybody. I hope you are well. What is going on is that I just need to update you. Hello, welcome to the vlog. It was my grandma's birthday back 29th January. It's currently now the 15th of February, and last night we surprised her with a big house. All of like my grandma's side of the family, so like my mum's side of the family. Surprised her because it was the 70th, but so people can stay till Monday. We're not, we're only staying till Sunday, so but it's currently Saturday, and yeah, we're in this big massive house. It is huge. My hair is really windswept. Storm Dennis is apparently coming. We're in the middle of nowhere, legit middle of nowhere. You around. It's a little bit chaotic in this house, busy. So I'm going to show you around. I'm going to start in our room. First of all, this is our ensuite. Hello. This is our outside of our bathroom looks like, because it's really lovely. We've got the bins out here and just views. Lovely shower. I had a shower in there last night. Beautiful. Toothbrushes, toilet things, obviously things in there, and yeah, just nice things. Then we come to the room. So we are showing with my brother and sister. So there's me and then Ben. More views. People are just going crazy. It's raining. Someone's house. Trees. Like station area of stuff. Snack drawer. Alcohol drawer. And then my sister's up there, and then my brother is down there, and then we've got clothes, and then yeah, bedside tables with little lamps, lovely curtains, and so we are bedroom number 6. I'm out of here. This is upstairs, and downstairs look how all them shoes. Beautiful. And then look at this. So yeah, this is our view. Like this is sort of like the entrance area. We've got like seating area. I just think it's so cute. And then we've got like bedroom, bathroom. That's like a shared bathroom, bedroom. Is anyone in here? This is my grandma's room, because obviously she's in the fancy room. So it's massive. It's got a beautiful balcony, which with these beautiful views. Look at that, stunning. And look how cute this is, adorable. So it's literally just greenery. And then she has a lovely ensuite as well. Look how nice this bathroom is with this view. And then a really cool shower. Look at that shower head. And obviously toilet. So yeah, and look at the chandelier. Amazing. Into, got the floor, and then we've got the living room.
You don't know anything about that.
Are you won yet?
I'm
No, it's to 20 now.
To 20?
85.
85. Are you losing, Ben?
No, I'm winning.
You're winning? Alright, Caleb.
Yeah, I'm just playing a Switch.
Switch.
Measure me.
These nice views.
Very weathery.
Very
Weathery.
weathery.
Yeah, weathery.
I love this sofa. This sofa's like amazing. For a dog. And then we come through, and then we have even more rooms. Downstairs toilet / bathroom, and then we come through here. And this is the kitchen, and then we have a pantry. So this is our pantry area. So we have like washing machine, extra fridge, ironing board and stuff in there. Things, grandma's cake, which my aunt made. Cute little clock. It is currently 25 to 11. Alcohol fridge, storage I think, and then sort of like it goes out to where like the bins are, which I've just shown you because we're like up here. Oh, I didn't realise that was there. That's good to know. Massive. I'm going around filming this. It's amazing. Look at this. What? Where are you taking me? Come on then. Where are we going? What are you showing me? What? Show me your best move. Oh, awesome. Awesome. Okay, comfy position. Yeah. I love this living room. I really want this mirror.
Probably really expensive.
I think it is really expensive, yeah. Nice views. Caleb and Ben, are you coming with us?
I'm not coming.
I'm not
6 to 7.
I feel like Becca's going to have a better time without me.
Oh, Ben. Oh, nice hat. He is pretty mangy.
So I
All these pillows. I want this. I want this. Just shopping around town, having a walk.
System sound.
This is so cute. Why are we walking? I want to go back to home. I know. So we're in the middle of Derbyshire. Derbyshire. That all accent.
Show the crazy cat lady thing.
Crazy cat lady, this is what I should get. I need this in my life.
It's Becca.
It's me. 4 cats and 2 kittens. Bakewell Pudding Factory. Oh fuck. Oh god. Goodness.
I want to go on the feet.
Go where?
Feet.
I don't know where we're going. Oh my god, this wind. Oh my god. That's massive.
Come on, look back at that video. I'll turn around.
Oh yeah.
I heard a cow. Hello. Oh, it's a sheep. Another sheep. He's beautiful. Ben said the door's open, I think. No, he said the door's open. I've done it. Wow. This house is amazing. Oh, look at this. My head's massive compared to yours.
What?
My head's massive.
It is. Look
compared
at the
to yours.
bloody
Look at
size.
the
Jesus Christ.
Such a potato.
Jesus Christ. I love chips.
Thanks. Soon I need. Oh wait, that door needs to be open because it's the only place in the room with a nice tiny, and I mean tiny, little radiator. So I'm gonna close this door so it'll be nice and warm. And then I'm gonna go have tea. I cannot wait. So I just put a load of spring rolls on your small plate. Oh shit. Oh. I just put over there.
Thank you.
And then we've got ours over here.
Can I?
Because
I'm
we're
married.
such picky eaters. That does look good, that.
It's a lot nicer in the house, but this is fun, yeah? Let's just do it. Get back in the house where it's nice.
Viewing area. What the fuck? Viewing area for what?
Kids walk around this and go back, isn't it?
That's a mile and a half.
We've got to be about a mile and a half, haven't
That is. It's a viewing area. It's a mile and a half.
we? Okay. So we walk around
You
this.
alright? Get them in your
I'm alright.
cute. It is actually pouring out. What is Ben doing? He's locked us out. Oh my god, this house is stunning.
My house.
Welcome to my crib. Oh, bye house.
Oh no.
Bye house. Oh, first time seeing these views. Sage. I'm just gonna pour it down. Look at that sky. Look. Oh! Thundering!
Oh, it's happening.
Whoa!
The gods are angry and it's your fault.
There's one over there. Sorry. I wonder when the lightning's gonna be. Beautiful.
It's not worth 13 quid though, is it? 13 fucking quid. 13 quid! Yes, it's a pound booker buy from Asda. And a quarter of a pack of mash and something that they just picked out of the car park. And these, they might give me a full carrot. Yeah, I guess so.
Oh god, my own bed. As much as you're enjoying holiday, like your own bed is like the best. It's currently 8:30 and we are home. We've been home for like, I'd say like a good hour and a bit now. The motorway was insane and a few dual carriageways were just mental because the weather. At one point, like, we had to turn the music off. I couldn't see. Obviously, when you're on a motorway, it's supposed to be like 70. I then went down to a 40. It was really bad. You could feel the wind. Like, I wasn't even drifting. I felt like the car was gonna like tilt. And I could see like the lorries like swaying. Oh, it was bad. I'm going to love you and leave you. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please remember to go hit the subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. I will see you again with another video very soon, and I love you lots.
Bye.